Hello everyone. Today we will see the topic is like how to reset the root password in Linux. So most of the projects in real time, most of the projects will have the CyberArk. So we won't reset the any root password, but there are few projects which they don't have CyberArk. So in that case, there is the only way to log into the server is by providing the password normally. So when you provide password normally, there is a possibility of giving the wrong passwords multiple times. So in that case, the root account will be locked. So if the root account is locked, then there is the only way to reset the password is by log into the server in maintenance mode. So today we will see like how to reset the root password in maintenance mode. So currently I have logged into the server. Now I will boot the server into maintenance mode. Let's see how to boot. Rebooting the server. So after rebooting, you will get the GRUB menu. So this menu. So this is the GRUB menu. So you have to interrupt the GRUB to select the kernel and go to the maintenance mode. So you have for interrupting the GRUB, you can use the up arrow, down arrow in the keyboard. So once the screen is constant, then you can select the kernel, like on which kernel you logged in currently. So I am using this kernel, then pressing the E option. So after pressing E means edit. So edit the kernel. So go to the Linux option. So in Linux option, go to the end of the line and type rd.break. So after typing rd.break, just press Ctrl X. So when you press Ctrl X, it will boot into maintenance mode. So you will get the screen like this. So once you get the screen like this, you have to check whether your root is in read-write mode or not, read-write permissions or not. So for that, mount pipe grep root. So if it is read only, so with read only permissions, we can only read, we can't write anything in the root. So for that, you have to remount the root mount point. Mount -o remount rw read write /sys root. So now we will see again what is the permission. Pipe grep root. So now you can see read write permissions with root account. So root mount point. So now we can switch to root, chroot /sys root. So now we are in root. So now we can able to reset the root password. When you type only passwd without any user, by default it will take root user only. So I am resetting the password. So password successfully reset. Now after resetting the password, you need to store that latest password. For that, you need to run this command. Otherwise, you cannot log into the server with the reset password. So you have to store the latest password. Otherwise, it won't allow you to log in. Auto relabel So this